Hello guys, it's Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Croatia, and the link and coupon will be in the description. And let's go, alright? And open description and click on link Voyafly eSIM and open website voyafly.com. This website number one for eSIM, and click on this and click on this. Alright, and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed, and choose speed plane light plus premium. Alright, and select days. I'm select 30 days, unlimited data and premium speed, and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code. Write raw tips and click on apply. Order discount ROM tips, this is good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write contact, write payment, write billing address, and click on buy now and buy eSIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.